Poured concrete floors are cold, hard, and damp. Concrete is porous and releases moisture. If not managed properly, this can lead to production of mold and mildew. Drycore Insularmor is an all-in-one premium engineered subfloor system designed specifically to maximize the comfort of your living space. It helps protect against mold and mildew growth, insulates against cold concrete, and softens finished floors. Drycore Insularmor has a raised air gap design to avoid trapping moisture and letting it evaporate naturally. EPS foam is an inorganic material which mold and mildew cannot grow on. With an R value of 4.1, Drycore Insularmor has one of the highest R values in the market, providing maximum insulation against cold concrete to make floors feel warmer to walk on. Unlike other types of foam, Drycore Insularmor is specifically engineered with high-density EPS foam that is highly durable, supporting weights of up to 3,650 pounds. It is ideal for hard surface finished floors, such as engineered hardwood, laminate, and luxury vinyl tiles or planks. Drycore Insularmor also comes with a 25-year warranty. Installation is very easy. Drycore Insularmor can easily be carried, given the small size of the panels at 2 feet by 4 feet, and it is lightweight, weighing less than 2 pounds per panel. The panels have a tongue and groove edge, so they easily fit together. The foam panels are cut easily with a knife, eliminating the need for power tools and messy cleanup. Installation in a standard-sized room can be completed in an afternoon. For more information and instruction, visit drycore.com/Insularmor.